Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure you're in the right account. This prevents removing someone else's photo. Once confirmed, open Android settings, tap Google, then manage your Google account. Make sure sync is enabled so changes apply immediately. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one that shows the profile photo you want to remove. This first step sets context and permissions. Without it, you can't edit profile details. Now proceed to the Personal Info tab to edit your photo. Once in Personal Info, locate the Profile section and tap Photo to see your current image. You can remove it directly if the Remove option appears. If not, choose Change and upload a blank image or select the No Photo avatar. Make sure to confirm prompts, because Google often asks to save changes. After removing, allow a minute for account sync to propagate across services. If the phone still shows the old image, clear the Google app cache and force a sync to refresh the display. To finish, force a sync on your Google account so the removal pushes to the device. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, then Sync Now. Next, clear the cache for Google and Contacts apps to avoid stale thumbnails. Reboot the phone to ensure system UI refreshes. If the photo still appears, check other apps like Gmail or Contacts for cached images and repeat clearing. One key tip: if removal fails, sign out and back into the Google account on the device to force a full refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.